Additional Course B1P9A. Revolve. Mirror feature. Combine sketches and edges. Foreword. Welcome to the next additional course. This additional course does not teach anything new, but gives you the opportunity to check and consolidate your knowledge. If you prefer, you can try the course without watching the video, download the drawing and start immediately, or watch the video first and then follow the steps. The work steps. Start the sketcher, press the middle mouse button to place the sketch on the XY plane. Sketch and dimension the profile of the turned part. Finish the sketch and start the revolve command. Start the trim body command and create the datum plane you need. Mirror the feature. Place the next sketch on the face. Create and dimension only a single line. Start the extrude command and select single curve with the stop at intersection option as the curve rule. In addition, select the arc section and the required settings in the menu. Mirror the last work step. Create the 12 hole as a simple hole with the hole size, custom, and use the center of the trim plane for placement. Create the 6 hole as a simple hole with the hole size, custom, and use a sketch for placement. Create the chamfer. The curve rule face edges can save a few clicks. Conclusion. Did everything work? Then start a few more experiments. Change the wrench flat by 90 degrees, or create a flat counterbore on both sides of the large hole.